Welcome to Edupreneur.International, where you will discover how to profitably educate your market and learn how to increase your sales, use better systems and tools, and effectively communicate your message into the online world, which is so important today. And this will give you more freedom, more money, and more customers. My name is Michelle Keller, and I would like to welcome you to today's topic, which is: how do I make money as a business coach? Why? Because I have been asked a lot of times in the last couple of months, how do you make money as a business coach? Because a lot of people want to know, want to share their expertise and want to help more people, especially now in these times. And that's why I gathered 10 important key points from my clients, from my experience over 25 plus years in this marketplace. So the first important point is that you need to know your why. If you don't know your why, you don't know where to go. You don't know why you would go there. So some people have a goal, but they don't have a strong goal, which is not based on a strong why. If you know why, then you very likely and easily know how to do that. And especially in difficult times, when the marketplace is going against you, then you need to have a strong foundation, which is a strong why. Number two, you need to know your customers. A lot of people don't know their customers enough, and this is one of the mistakes a lot of business owners are doing, because they believe they know their customers, but they don't know enough their customers. And if you want to know how to go deeper, I have prepared a special program how you can go deep into your niche, find your niche, go deep into your niche, and know exactly what your clients and customers need today, not tomorrow, not 2 years ago, but today. And if you use this tool, you will have also a 6-step tool where you will answer different questions so that you know whether your niche is profitable. And if you're having a niche which is working for you, you can use this tool also to really go deeper and perhaps find new informations about your niche and be more profitable as well. Number 3, you need to know the problem and have a solid solution. So what does that mean? You need to know the problem of your clients and your customers and have a solid solution to it. Some coaches and experts, they have a solid solution, have a huge expertise, but they don't know enough the problem of their clients and customers. And some people know a lot about the problems of their customers, but they don't have a solid solution. So those two things are linked together, and that's why you need to focus on that. Number 4 is you need to know your positioning. Where are you? Where are you in the market? I have created a 4-level system where you understand where you are in the market and why you're there and why you are not on the next level, and which is the last level, the most important one, so that you don't have to sell anymore. When you are up there, then this is amazing, because then people come to you and they want what you have. If you want to know more about that, I will share with you at the end of the video so that you get a possibility to know how you can get this information. And then a lot of people were asking me, now, so how much should I charge charge for my services? You need to charge according to the results. This is point number 5. Charge according to the results of the customers, not about your own results, the results of the customers. How much do they gain? And the higher the results, the more you can charge. In my business, I can tell you numerous occasions where my clients, either small companies or big companies, maximize their results up to 75% and much more in just a couple of weeks. And therefore, I can charge according to their results. And if you don't have results yet, then don't charge anything. Then do that for free. And you get a testimonial, which is so important. Get testimonials. And the better the results, the more you can charge. Number 6, you need to have a community. If you have a strong community, this is the best solution for our future problems, which we will encounter soon, as the economy is not going to get much better in the future, in the near future. That's why you need to have a strong community. That's one reason for building your business. The second reason is that the stronger your community, the easier it is for you to offer your new products. And they will want to grab it because they trust you. And that's why if you don't have a community yet, you need to serve first. As a coach and as a trainer and consultant, we like to serve. We like to help other people. And that's what I'm doing here right now also. I'm sharing this important information, which I share with my elite clients usually, for you, to you for free. Because I want to serve. I know that these times are challenging, and that's why you need to have this information. Number 7, you need to have online products available. I encountered hundreds of business owners, which I've been talking to in the last 12 months, and there are 2 groups. Those who are out of the market now, and those who are succeeding. So group number 1, they're almost not in the market or gone. They didn't have online products available, and they didn't know how to set this up, and they didn't know how to automate them. And then there are the other ones, and a lot of them also are my customers, my clients, and they built their online products also earlier before. And that's why I created the Freedom Business Model, which is an online program, a 3-day program for you, so that you know how to build your business today in this environment and with easy to follow steps. Number 8, you need to have systems available. And in the program I just shared with you, there are systems and automated systems. You need to have automated systems set up. And we have tools and systems available today which have not been available just 2 years ago. So the times are changing rapidly. And why do you need automated systems? Because you want to free up your time. You want to have more, do more in your life, and serve more people. And the more you can serve, the more people have a better life, because that's why they need you. Number 9, you need to have a coach. You need to have a coach and mentors. The reason why I have flexibility, full flexibility and choices in my life, the freedom of choices in my life today, is only because I have coaches and mentors at my side. And I have been doing that for years. And that's the reason why I move to the next level each and every time. If you want to move to the next level, you need to have somebody as a sparings partner, somebody who is pushing you, somebody who is moving you to the next level. And these are coaches and mentors, because you don't know everything and you should not know everything. That's why you cooperate with others, coaches and mentors. And number 10, you need to know how to sell. So coaches and consultants and experts, they often know how to help their clients very well and know how to ask the questions. But one thing they don't know to ask the most important question. And this most important question I will share with you on the webinar which I am having, and you will get the link in a moment. In this webinar, you will get this information, how you can sell and what do you need to do. And you will also learn the 4 most important mistakes most business owners and entrepreneurs are doing, and why you should avoid them and what you can do instead. And now, what is now to be done for you? What do you need to do now? The first thing is, I'd like to invite you to the webinar, to my webinar. And the webinar is about how you monetize your expertise and get more money for your services. So how do you get this? By clicking on the link businessskills.click/webinar. I repeat that again, businessskills.click/webinar. These are 3 S's in business skills, and the fourth one is the S at the end of the word. So businessskills.click/webinar. And when you are clicking there, you will get also your copy of my 32-page ebook, How to Get More Leads for Your Coaching and Your Consulting Services. There's a lot of information in there, and if you read this and apply the steps, you are so much further than a lot of coaches out there right now in the market. And number 3, I ask you to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. So please like, subscribe, and get notified. And also, you can find me on YouTube, Edupreneur.International, on Facebook, Edupreneurs Mastermind. Become a member of the mastermind, and on LinkedIn at Michelle Keller. I hope I helped you a lot here today. And if you got any questions, please comment below. And I'm looking forward to talking to you. And I wish you all the best and be successful.